right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do another unboxing for one of our customers for Sneakersin. What we have here is a Yeezy 350 Boost, as you can see. Spin around to the label here, show you what we have. Got a good 10.5 here. And these are a pair of the Glow, which are pretty cool. So we got here, got your normal tissue paper with the Yeezys that you see. And we're looking at a real nice pair of the Glows here. All right. Get to the fronts to the sides. As you can see, wear a nice pair of socks. You're gonna actually be see-through here. Got a good pair of laces, tags inside as well. One of the things that you usually look for in your Yeezy is also going to be the tag on the inside where it's from. I'll take some of this tissue paper out here and show you one of the other things that's important is your insoles. Right? The actual branding on there, size branding as well. Something that's actually very important with your Yeezys. You can see the inside, and of course, the number one thing that everybody is always concerned with is the boost. So, of course, the quality of that boost. And these are a glow pair. I'll grab a flashlight a little later on and actually show you how they glow. Get this out of the way real quick, and then we'll take out the other pair. Right. That is the second pair. Got your pull tag. Again, excellent pair of Yeezys there, for sure. So as I mentioned before, these are a pair of the Glows, which means, if you don't know, that the actual soles glow. You can tell that I'm filming in the daylight right now, but these glow so well that we should be able to see it. You can generally take a light. We're just using a headlamp here to kind of go over the actual soles of the Yeezy. And we should be able to see the difference in daylight as well. All right. Try to get a little closer on there. There you go. You can see what I mean. Try it with the rest of the sole as well. Let's get a little closer. Light it up. And of course, this customer is a Singapore customer, so on the days that are nice and bright outside, every time they go inside, they're gonna make people look. Again, you can see it. If we did a shot in pure darkness, we just shine the regular light on it, but I'm trying to show you that they glow so much that you can actually see the difference in the daylight. Because that would be the side when it's not glowing. And yeah, you can see it kind of fading out there. But there you go. Brand new pair, 350 Yeezy Boost. So just to show the intensity of the glow, I figured we would actually take you into a darker area, so I'm just activating the soles here a little bit. I haven't done the other side, so you'll get to see the difference in the dark here in a moment. So this is daylight. And there you go, in the dark. So like I said, you can see I have not activated this side.